Here on my screen, I have a sales prognosis data which contains the year from 2000 to 2017 and 5 other product name of rice. To use slicer on this data, I will first put the data in a table format. To create a table on this data, I go to Insert, then I click on Table. Then a table is created for me. I can the same thing create it through a shortcut by clicking on Ctrl T. It's going to give me the same. The next thing I want to do is to show you how to insert a slicer to the table. Here you will see a slicer, insert a slicer. If I click on it, if I click on this dialog box, I will select the boxes for the field that I want. Here I want all of them to be included, and I will select all of them and click OK. Now I have selected all of them and I clicked OK. Now this is my slicer. A slicer is created for every field I selected. As you can see, if I click on any of the slicer button, it will automatically apply that filter to the link table. I can select more than one item by holding Ctrl key down and then select the items that I want to show or hide. If I select this, that is example of what I am actually talking about. I can move around the slicer to reposition them. I can actually group all of them together by selecting all of them. Click on the group object in order to join them together to move and format them as if they were a single entity. I can give a name to the slicer in the slicer caption panel. I want to change each of the name from product 1 to product 5 to name of different rice. So if I click on the slicer product 1, I go to slicer caption and change the name. The first one is basmati rice. Then click on the second one and change the name. The third one, the Thai rice. The fourth one, the brown rice. Then the fifth one, the white rice. Now that's how you can actually change the name of them. I can change color in each slicer panel and all the slicer from the slicer styles. Now if I go here, I can change the color to this one if I want to this. Then for this, I can change it to this, for this. I can as well group all of them together and change the color. I can also show the slicer or hide the slicer, as well as hide any slicer I wish to pin the selection pane to see a list of all the slicer in order to make it easier for me to select any slicer, change their order and their visibility by clicking the IMG. So if I go to selection panel, I can actually change this and rearrange this. If I want it to be this, I can also rearrange it to be that. Then if I want to hide product 3, not it to be there. If I want to hide product 5, product 2 is removing a slicer. If I right click on any of the slicer, I click on remove, then the slicer will be removed from my Excel sheet. For instance, if I do this and I say remote pony, it will be removed.